Okay, we were in the pattern of ether. Say Claire. Say Claire.
Yes.
So, what is the passé composé? Pepe of ether. Pepe of ether is ete. Pepe of ether is ete. Répétez après moi. Pepe of hour.
Passé
Because now the
composé
plus
est
Pepe of hour is you.
you.
Say Claire. Pepe of
Yes.
hour is you.
You.
Say Claire. Now,
Yes.
as explained to you, in order to conjugate your past composé, your past tense, either you have to take the help of our family or either you take the help of other family. But whenever we have a other family, to whom I will take the help. Now, for example, we have a formula like either I will take the help of our family or either I will take the help of other family, right? But if we have a other family passe compose, I will take the help of our family. Say Claire.
Yes.
At with our with our only. Say Claire.
Yes.
Say Claire. So
Yes.
I will say j'ai,
J'ai été.
j'ai été. Été you have, you know, be was been. That is a been.
Yeah.
Say Claire. So
Oui.
I have been, j'ai été. Say Claire maintenant.
I have been.
You are été because été we have been and j'ai is what I have. You are été. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Il, elle
Et été.
a été. Say Claire. Okay. And
Yes.
vous avons été, vous avez été, elles ont été. C'est clair. Tell me.
Yeah. Oui, oui.
Right? D'accord.
Yes.
Now, obviously, évidemment, we have l'imparfait also. We have,
L'imparfait.
what is the l'imparfait? Répétez après moi. A-I-S,
A-I-S.
I-S,
A-I-T.
A-I-T, I-O-N,
I-O-N-S. I-E-Z. Z.
and A-I-E.
A-I-E-N-T.
C'est clair. D'accord.
Oui.
Now, it is just, with l'imparfait, you have to insert et. That's a thing you have to learn. Et. With case of lamp parfait, because we have ether now. What is ether? Okay. Why it I'm adding? Because we have ether, eliminate RE and ET. Say Claire, the core.
Yeah. Yes.
And I have to use like EIQ. EIQ. Say Claire, the core.
Yes.
And you have to do practice and definitely it will help you out. So, j'étais, tu étais, répétez après moi. J'étais,
J'étais, tu étais,
étais,
il était,
il,
nous
elle était,
étions,
nous étions, vous étiez,
vous
elles
étiez, et
étaient.
elles étaient.
C'est clair, d'accord?
Yes.
Now, what would be the conditional and what? Conditional what? What I will do?
R-A-I-S.
Exactement. RAIS, RAIS, RAIT, RIONS. Okay. R-I-E-Z, okay, and
Yes.
R-A-I-E-N-T. Say Claire.
Wait.
Tell me yes and no.
Yes. Claire.
Now over here, with my être futur. Okay, what is the formula of futur then? Re, ra, ra,
Re, ra, 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 re.
ro, re, ro. Say Claire. Now let's
Wait.
say après moi. Re, ra, ra.
Re, ra, ra, ron, re, ron.
It is just with your être. Répétez après moi. Some like just the same way the moment I'm speaking. With my être. Speak up with my être. It is just I have to start my future. Répétez après moi. बोलो इसको. I have to start
I have to.
my future and conditional with sir. So I will say je serai, tu seras, elle serait, nous serions, vous seriez, and elle serait. So it is just with in case of être futur,
In case
Yeah.
of être futur.
we will insert the formula of sir. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear? So je serai, tu serais, il serait, nous serions, vous seriez, il serait. Or I will, je serai, sorry, je serai, tu seras, il sera, nous serons, vous serez, ils seront. Say Claire, tell me yes and no.
Yeah.
So répétez après moi, in case of adverb, the future will start from sir. Say Claire.
Yeah.
Vous comprenez?
Oui.
Okay. Now we have aller verb. Aller is a verb to go. Aller is a verb to go. Say Claire.
Yes.
Okay, let me save this recording first. The previous recording. 1 second here. So tell me the formula of aller verb. Aller conjugation. The formula
Je
of
vais,
aller
tu
conjugation.
vas,
Yes. Je
il
vais.
va, elle,
Okay,
il,
répétez après moi.
elle.
Okay, I will
Yes.
pen down. One sec. Please let me save the recording. One second, huh? I'm just saving the previous recording. So that
Okay.
save this 1 second. Okay. Previous recording, previous session we have saved. Now we are going to second session, which is Ali is my verb to go. So répétez après moi. Je vais is to I go. Now this is a formula.
Yeah.
Say Claire. Ali is my
Yes.
verb to go. So in order to make Ali verb, we will say je vais,
Tu
tu vas,
vas, il, elle
elle
va,
va,
nous allons,
nous allons,
vous allez,
vous allez, d'accord?
ils, elles vont.
So this is my present tense, right? Say Claire.
Yes.
D'accord? Now répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. What is the Ali verb of present tense? Répétez après moi. Je vais, tu vas,
Je vais, tu vas, il va, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, il, elles vont.
say Claire.
Oui.
Now what is the past tense of Ali? Because we have ELLER. Say
Yeah.
clear. So ER will be converted into E.
Ale.
So we have EAGU. Say
Yeah.
clear. Now listen to it very carefully. What is the formula of past tense? Either I have to use a word,
Jasui ale.
yes, or either I have to use at family verb, present tense. So ale
Yeah.
is my at family present tense, right?
Yes.
So je suis allé. Répétez après moi. Je suis allé.
Jasui ale.
And E we have you. Say clear.
Yes.
Because why je suis allé? Because we have a family of at
Yeah.
which is converted into, you know,
Yeah.
uh, that at family verb. So I will say je suis allé. Say clear.
Yes.
Tu es allé. Il, elle est allé.
Zale.
Allé.
Ale.
C'est clair. Nous sommes
Sam.
allés.
Zalam.
Vous êtes
Zale.
allés. And ils, elles sont allés. C'est clair.
Yes.
It is clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, mademoiselle, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. Now, for example, if you have your future, what is the formula of conditional first? RAIS,
Are.
RAIS, because AIS, RAIT, clear?
Yeah.
RIONS,
RIONS. RIEZ.
RIEZ, and RAI.
REINT.
Clear. D'accord?
Oui.
Why? One second. In that case, what is the formula of future? Re, ra,
Re, ra, ro, re, ro.
declare.
Oui.
Now it is very important to understand. Very important to understand. In case of very important, mademoiselle, because obviously this is a rule wherein you can learn a lot of things. C'est clair. C'est clair.
Oui.
So in case of your future, ale, c'est clair. In case of your future ale, it is just you have to insert E. It is just you have to insert I. That's it.
This is for conditional and future.
Future. C'est clair. D'accord.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now répétez après moi. Re ra ra for future ale. Répétez après moi. Re ra ra.
Re, ra, ro, re, re.
Ron, re,
Ro, re,
ron.
ro.
C'est clair. Re,
Yes.
ra, ra. Ron, re.
Ro, re, ro.
Now, ale future is always starting with E. I will say j'irai is to I will go. J'irai. J'irai is to I will go. Tu iras is to, because we have the same formula re ra ra ro re ro. But we have the formula of future. Formula of ale future is it is just I have to insert I. That's it. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Oh, what I will do now? I will say j'irai, tu iras, il ira, nous irions, vous iriez, elles iront. C'est clair.
Yes.
Conditional is j'irai, tu irais, same. Irions,
Il,
iriez, irais. C'est clair. D'accord.
idiot. Yeah.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for example, mademoiselle, if you have verb savoir, savoir is a verb to know.
Miss Lampard नहीं करेंगे आले का.
Yes, sorry, I forgot. Lamp parfait, same. AIS, lamp parfait of Ale. Lamp parfait of Ale is what? AIS, AITIONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Say clair. And it is just, we have what? Alo, insert ONS, and we'll say ALL. Say clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Say clair. I will say j'allais, tu allais, il, elle allait, nous allions, vous alliez, il, elles allaient. C'est clair. D'accord?
Yes.
Okay. So now what I want is, because in order to move forward within other verbs also, first you have to practice with these verbs. Say clair.
Yeah.
Claire, d'accord?
Good.
Okay. So now, mademoiselle, I'm going to share all of these two recordings. I'm going to share these two recordings. Okay. You have to watch this recording. Say Claire,
Okay.
and you can make a few verbs like manger. You can make. Say Claire, d'accord?
Yeah.
And definitely good food will do tomorrow. Food and food, voila. Say Claire, so that it will not get confused. Say Claire,
Yeah.
why?
Yes.
समझ आया आपको किरण mademoiselle? What was this?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So if you can give me your maximum 10 hours, 10 hours in this 10 hours, you will become very expert in the grammar.
Okay.
Something like you will become master in the grammar. Say Claire.
Okay.
D'accord? So
Oui,
tomorrow
Claire.
we'll do good word wala sentence. Say Claire.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Au revoir.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Au revoir.
Oh.